Good day to all our viewers of Trisla Foundation. Today we are going to talk on the topic indoor activities to improve cognitive and sensory skills in cerebral palsy children. What is sensory skills? Sensory skills involve using the sense of smell, touch, vision, hearing, balance, vestibular and or taste. All these senses work together for overall sensory functioning. Importance of developing sensory skills in CP children. Sensory problems are the result of the brain being unable to process sensory information correctly. This determines how your child reacts to certain touch, sights, sound, taste and smell. It also involves your child's sense of body awareness, balance and movement. Common sign of sensory problem in children with CP. First, hesitant or avoidant behavior. Second, difficulties latching during breastfeeding. And third, irritational tantrums. Sensitivity to bright lights, strong smell, loud noise, tasting their body, overactive behavior like running around, spinning in circle, jumping, etc. So, sensory activities for cerebral palsy. Sensory activities for children with cerebral palsy are designed to be repetitive. First, powder massage. Powder massage is the best way to give sensory stimuli to your CP child. Second, painting. Painting is an effective way to introduce your child to a variety of different sensory stimuli. Third, sandbox play. Playing in a sandbox is a fun way for children to develop their sensory skill. Let your child play in dry sandbox and then apply water to some of sand. Let them how feel the texture and permeability changes. Fourth, playing with ice. This is a fun sensory activity. You can simply just place ice cube into a bin and let your child play with the ice and watch it melt there in hand. You can also make ice cube with different food coloring, place them into bin and as they melt, your child can watch the colors come together. Fifth, sensory bin. Take a tube, fill the tube with different objects like ball, toys, different shapes and other objects which child like the most. With objects of different shapes, size, texture, color and sensory bin can engage all physical sense. Sensory, play with the clay or putty. Playing with putty is one of the most popular sensory activities for preschoolers that help children develop and enhance their fine motor skill. What are cognitive abilities and skill? Cognition has to do with how a person understands the world and act in it. It is the set of mental ability or process that are part of nearly every human action when we are awake. Cognitive abilities are brain-based skills we need to carry out and tasks from the simplest to the most complex, like learn, remember, problem solve and pay attention rather than with any actual knowledge. Importance of developing cognitive skill in cerebral palsy children. In cerebral palsy children, cognitive skills are extremely important to develop during the early year of life as they help your brain think, read, learn, reason, pay attention and remember. These like help process incoming information and distribute it to the appropriate areas of the brain. Example, answering the telephone involve prescription, hearing the ringtone, decision talking like answering or not, motor skill, lifting the receiver, language skill like talking and understand language, social skill यानी interpreting tone of the voice, interacting properly with another human being, cognitive skill, sustain attention like allow a child to stay focused on a single task for long period of time. Second, selective attention, allow a child to place their focus one on single task despite other distraction around them. An example of this is doing their homework when the television is on and avoid getting distracted by it. Divide attention, like on the other hand activities attention allow a child to multitask and perform two tasks at once without forgetting information about either action. For example, many times you must have seen children watching TV while eating food, where definitely look like his phone, and listen to music while studying. Long-term memory. This allows children to retain information from the past. This cognitive skill is circled when taking tests or recalling formulas or names during school activities. Working memory. Working memory allows children to retain information while using it. This is helpful when following a series of instructions without having to stop and look back at the task over and over again. Logic and reasoning. Improving the skill will result is better problem solving and ideas generation. This ability will also reduce the sense of feeling overwhelmed when presented with difficult situation. Auditory processing. This critical skill allows child brain to better analyze, blend and segment information. Auditory processing is especially useful when learning to read by helpful better understand the information being presented. Next, visual processing. Just like auditory processing, visual processing helps interpret visual information better. Things such as image, map, graph and tables will be much easier to analyze and understand. Next, processing speed. Performing tasks faster and accurately is a result of processing speed ability. Children will be able to interpret information faster and improve productivity in school tasks. Activities to improve cognitive skill. There are survival indoor games that kids can play any time of the day and which can improve the cognitive skill in the children with cerebral palsy. It is important to play a range of games with kids so that you can maximize learning output when spending quality time with them. First, memory place game. You can present a trial field with interesting toys and various objects to your kids. Let them observe it for 10 seconds and then cover it up. Your child can use their recall skill and earn points for every object they guess correctly. Second, bring me the objects. You can present a question based on which your kids will have to collect the right object that fit into your criteria. You can ask them to hunt for blue solid or green nature object to make it more exciting. Third, guess with your hand. You can prepare a card box or a show box with a hole in the middle of store object. Your kids can guess what the object is using only their hand for sensory motor skill development. Fourth, match by eye. start with a single line of poetry and have your child finish the rest. They would have to find the right rhyming words while making the song Korean will improve their grammar skill. And fifth, rocking chair. Rocking chair or rocking horse in an effective way to children to develop their vestibular system. The vestibular system is responsible for understand balance during movement. Next, Jenga tower. Jenga tower games are the great way to improve fine motor skill. Construction focus and prescription. You can add challenges to each block to make the game more interesting. 7. Hula hops. Kids love hula hops and can use it to swing to their favorite song. It stands for coordination, body control and movement skill signify. And next, indoor bowling. Bowling is one of the most best indoor game. It is combined construction, vision and gross motor coordination. You can use old bottle and pins with an inflatable ball as the official bowling ball. Next, follow the tape. In this game, kids have to follow a straight line made or of tape, or you can also make some pattern which your child can follow. It strengthens their coordination, body control and movement skills signified. Next, let's make origami. Origami structure are some of the most exciting things that kids can create, paint and display on their beside table. You can make the die activity more engaging with different level of origami. Other game, DIY, telephone. Next, card box coloring. Next, paper plate, tic tac toe. Next, ping pong ball, catch and toss. Next, playing with bat or badminton. Fun way to help your child hand and eye coordination. Next, how to improve handwriting skill in children with cerebral palsy. Handwriting can be a difficult task to learn, particularly for children with cerebral palsy. Decreased coordination and hand weakness can cause frustration for child with cerebral palsy trying to learn this skill. Hand problem in children with cerebral palsy. What causes handwriting to be affected in children with cerebral palsy? Strength and fine motor control. Poor hand strength and lack of fine motor control can affect handwriting in children with cerebral palsy. These issues can be addressed with strengthening activities, fine motor training and writing of different surface. Proper sitting posture reduce strain on the arm muscles, improve control with writing. A slanted writing surface encourage a child to sit up straight, improving posture. Next, large handed writing still are easier to control than regular pen and pencil. Next, motor planning. Motor planning is the brain ability to tell other parts of the body how to perform a task. Motor planning difficulties affect handwriting skill with cerebral palsy. To address these issues, a child can trace dotted line and outline of individual letters with saying aloud what he or she doing. Next, visual perception. Visual perception is the brain ability to understand what the eyes see. Cerebral palsy can cause difficulties with visual perception affecting handwriting. This problem is addressed by providing small amounts of information with lot of practice to teach the child how to form a letter. Conclusion. Cognitive and sensory skill is important for all the children with cerebral palsy. For improving the problem, first you have to understand what type of problem your child has. All the activities told in slide has to be done in a correct manner, and repetition is must for better improvement. And whatever activities you doing, try to do maximum activities by the child himself, and you only monitor that he does it right. Bibliography. You can visit to all this website to know more about these issues. I hope you all enjoy this lecture, and please stay tuned with us to know more about cerebral palsy and related issues. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to of Trisla Foundation and JJ Jain 999 for more such videos. Thank you.